Hello! Are you worried about thieves breaking into your car while it's parked? Maybe you have a long commute to work and you often see pretty strange driving behaviors on the road. Or maybe you're concerned about super high insurance rates and you're looking for any type of discount that you can get.
Not available in all states.
Then what you need is a dash cam. This is the 70Mi Smart Dash Cam. What's up, handsome people? If you're like me and you have a limited income, but you love expensive gadgets, you've come to the right place. On this channel, we focus on getting the best gadgets for the least amount of cash. So if you're new here,
subscribe now.
And hey, don't be shy. Feel free to check out the notes and the links in the YouTube description below anytime during the video. So let's check out my dash cam. This product was sent to me by GearBest.com. They are an Alex ranked top 350 global online retailer with a ton of gadgets at a discounted rate. So for more information or to check out the store, click the link below. Now back to your regularly scheduled review. Okay, so here's the cam itself. It's pretty small and compact, probably be real discreet hanging off your windshield. So this lens is a 130 degree wide angle lens. It can record at 1080p. Now what's cool about it is it has a voice identification sensor which allows you to say things and do things like take a picture and record video on the fly. It has loop recording, which most of these dash cams have nowadays. Basically what that does, it automatically overwrites the oldest footage with the latest footage. It also has built-in Wi-Fi to connect to your phone as well as the app. This thing has a G sensor that detects a collision and will automatically record the emergency situation and protect the video to prevent it from being overwritten. We have the power button right there. And there's also going to be a ring around the power button that'll have different colors to indicate exactly what's going on. Information on the back of the product. Of course, it needs a micro SD card to record the footage on, and this will support 8 to 64 gigabytes. Got some sensors and stuff inside. This is adjustable on top for many different viewing angles. And now let's see what else we get in the box. So what you get in the box is this adhesive that you put on the windshield, and here are the instructions of how to do so. Now instead of it being like a suction cup, this is going to go on the windshield, and then this right here on top is going to attach to this. Now on the website they were saying that this is better because in the heat, typically the suction cups, they can warp and they could also lose suction. So this is supposed to help in regards to keeping it attached to the actual windshield. Here's the instructions, 70Mi dash cam. So it gives an overview to what the product has.
Cool.
And then you also get underneath here. So this is where the camera would come in right here in this little spot right here. But you also get, if you open this up, you get the power that you plug into your, what is it called? Car charging port or whatever it's called. And then on the other side, of course, we get the cable, the micro USB cable. And of course, it's going to be pretty long because you got to imagine this has got to go from the camera all the way to your power source. So you should be able to attach it to your power source with no problem whatsoever. It's got an angled plug so it can stay attached easily.
Nice.
And then on the other side, that plugs into the power source right here. So basically that's it. I mean, it's small and simple, but you get all this tech in such a compact form for less than $40.
Hooray!
Now let's see it all connected as well as some sample footage. Enjoy. And not too shabby, huh? So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the 70Mi dash cam, leave a comment below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and of course a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you, and have a good one.